Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and this is a massive update video. This is now or never right now for Dogecoin, and I want to go over that right now. We're looking at Doge here on the daily. We have a strong symmetrical triangle building up right now with Doge. We've had clear support here along this uptrend line right here, and we've had clear resistance on this level right here. So this has been a strong consolidation period for Doge. Today's a monumental day in Dogecoin, and I believe that this is an opportunity of a lifetime, and I'm gonna go over why I think that is. I think there's certain plays that happen that sometimes you don't understand why they do so well, but there's certain hype plays that sometimes you just have to ride out. And I think Dogecoin is the ultimate hype play. We have GameStop, we have AMC, we have all these hype plays, but I don't think anything is gonna top Dogecoin. And the reason why I say that is because you have top dogs in the world that back this coin, one being Elon Musk, another being Mark Cuban. And as we start to see this shift in the crypto world, we have the Staples Center being renamed to Crypto.com. And so the Staples Center, where the Lakers play, where all of the best teams in Los Angeles play, are going to be playing in an arena called Crypto.com. And so that is a huge progressive step here for all cryptocurrencies. And I feel like as we start to continue, we have players like OBJ saying that he doesn't mind getting paid his salary in Bitcoin. You have players like Tom Brady that also are backing this notion. And so you have a lot of young people who are trying to make a difference, and I believe that they are trying to basically put their foot down with crypto, and they want to start something very new, and they want to create a long-term footprint when it comes to crypto. And Dogecoin is one of those coins that if crypto is going to succeed, by default, in my opinion, I do believe Doge is going to succeed, because at the end of the day, with a lot of coins, what's happening now is if money is able to flow into these, then there's a really great chance that they're going to run. And when I look at Doge, there's a ton of money in Doge, and there's going to be continuous pumps on this coin. I don't think that this coin is just going to disappear. I think over time we are going to start to break barriers on this coin. And why right now is such a massive opportunity to be buying this. So right now we're on Google. I typed in symmetrical triangle pattern because this is a pattern in trading that I personally like to use. There's two ways that this pattern can break, and here are our two plays. Either we break here to the upside or we break here to the downside. And so if we look at both of these charts right now, if we're looking at this first one and we go back here to Dogecoin, this looks like a picturesque formation. Let's just quickly, if you guys can pause this and just look at how picturesque these both look together. This is letting me know that Dogecoin is a buy right now. And so here's how I'm gonna play this. I've already bought in here on support and I'm holding my position. However, if we break down from this level of support, I will have a stop loss there set at around 20 cents. If we break below 20, I will be out of Doge because I believe Doge will be going a lot lower in the short term. However, I am a big believer of buying on support, especially on a symmetrical triangle that could potentially break to the upside. If I zoom this in on the 15-minute time frame, you guys will know why I am so bullish here on this coin and why I think it is time for this to break out. And so if I pull this out here on our 15, you can see right here, we had a slight double bottom W forming right here at the bottom on this point. And so this was our last level of support. If we broke below this point, it wasn't going to look good for Doge, but you could see how strongly we held this point, and not only once, but twice. And so where we are right now is still in the buy zone. Anything between these two lines that we have listed as our support right here is a buy here on Doge. And so my prediction is very simple here on Doge. I believe that this is going to break out from resistance and it is going to start to run. I believe that there's so much hype on this coin to hit $1 that is not only going to hit that point, it is going to blow past that point. And so with this coin, do expect volatility, expect this to go crazy, expect this to have a lot of fake outs. but the real money is going to be made on this once this level of resistance is broken and back tested. Once we get that back test, Dogecoin is going to be a player. And so the reason why I bought here on support is not to trade this in the short term. I actually am going to hold Dogecoin long here at this point. I believe that holding on support on a symmetrical triangle is a great buying opportunity for the long term. I believe 5 years down the line, Dogecoin is still going to be relevant. There's probably going to be a lot more uses for the coin. There are going to be a lot more merchants that are accepting of this coin as a form of currency. And I believe at this level on support at 22 cents is going to be a steal when Dogecoin is breaking barriers and is getting to all-time highs in the near future. And so another reason why I want to be in this play is just to be a part of the movement. This is a once in a lifetime type of opportunity, in my opinion. You have these type of plays that don't pop up often. Crypto is so new, and because I am a younger investor, this is something that is going to be prominent in my time. And I think holding Doge when it first comes out is going to be a very great investment for the long term. It may have its volatile swings in the short term, but buying here on support, in my opinion, is not the worst play. And so you guys see both sides of the story. If this breaks up and out, it will most likely test new all-time highs. If it breaks down, have a stop loss set around 20 cents, and that is probably the best way you can play Dogecoin. But I wanted to make this video today because we actually got our double bottom test here on support a couple minutes ago, and I wanted to make sure y'all have the best entry of this play. And so I'm making a follow-up on this video just so you guys know where we are in the progress of this triangle. And so I eventually expect this to kind of consolidate along this uptrend, eventually start to make its way up, and then break and back test this top level of resistance. And so if you guys enjoyed this video here on Doge, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, but we are so close to 5K. It'd be amazing if you guys help me get there. Otherwise, I hope y'all have a great day. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.